A video about United Nations organizations, their full name, date of establishment, and their headquarters. First, the United Nations established on 24th October 1945 in San Francisco, California, United States of America. Currently, United Nations headquarters is in New York. United Nations first organization, International Labour Organization, in short called ILO, date of establishment 1919, headquarters Geneva. Next organization, International Atomic Energy Agency, in short called IAEA, date of establishment 1957, headquarters located in Vienna. After IAEA, next organization is Food and Agriculture Organization, in short called FAO, established in 1945 and headquarters located in Rome. Next, United Nations Organization, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, in short called UNESCO. UNESCO established in 1946 and headquarters located in Paris. Next organization, World Health Organization, in short called WHO, date of establishment 1948 and WHO headquarters located in Geneva. Next, United Nations Organization, World Meteorological Organization, in short called WMO, date of establishment 1950 and headquarters located in Geneva. Next, very important organization, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. UNICEF established in 1946 and its headquarters is in New York. Next United Nations organization is United Nations Development Program, in short called UNDP. United Nations Development Program established in 1965 and its headquarters is in New York. Next organization is United Nations Environment Program, UNEP. UNEP established in 1972 and its headquarters is in Nairobi. Next very important organization, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR. UNHCR established in 1950 and its headquarters located in Geneva. Next organization is United Nations Industrial Development Organization, in short called UNIDO. UNIDO established in 1967 and its headquarters is in Vienna. Next organization, International Monetary Fund, in short called IMF. IMF established in 1945 and its headquarters located in Washington, D.C. After IMF, next organization is International Civil Aviation Organization, in short called ICAO, date of establishment 1947 and its headquarters located in Montreal, City of Canada. After International Civil Aviation Organization, next organization is Universal Postal Union, in short called UPU. UPU established in 1947 and its headquarters located in Bern. Next United Nations Organization, International Telecommunication Union, in short called ITU. Date of establishment 1947 and its headquarters located in Geneva. After International Telecommunication Union, next United Nations organization is United Nations Fund for Population Activities, in short called UNFPA. UNFPA established in 1967 and its headquarters located in New York. Next, United Nations Organization, World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, established in 1967 and its headquarters located in Geneva. United Nations next organization, World Trade Organization, established in 1948 and its headquarters located in Geneva. Its first name is General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. From 1994, it is known as World Trade Organization. A detailed video about United Nations all organizations and their date of establishment and location of headquarters. Please like this video and share it with others. Thank you.